Hello students, today I'm going to tell you how to access the English in Action 4 audio. So the first thing you're going to do is open a new web browser and type in ELTNGL, all capital, .com, and then /E, lowercase I, capital A, 3, and then you can click return. This will open up the English learning for your book, and you're going to find your book cover and click on that. This will show you all the information about your book, and you're going to scroll down until you see the two bars. One says Teacher Companion Site, one says Student Companion Site. You're going to click Student Companion Site. And this will open up the audio. So you're going to scroll down again until you see English in Action, Book 4, and click there. May take a few minutes to open. Now you'll see the Level 4 audio. So you can select whatever audio you want. You can also download all of the audio onto your computer so that you can use at any time rather than going to the website each time. So you can see student book or workbook here. If you have a workbook, you can click there, but we are using the student book, so I'm going to click student book. And then you can select. So we've been working in Unit 3. So if you would like to listen to the audio for Unit 3, you can click on Unit 3. And then you can select which listening you'd like. As you can see here, all the listening in your book has a little headphone. So you can see in your book there'll be a little headphone icon, and it will have the number 12 for the very first listening in Unit 3. The next listening in Unit 3 will be 13. The next listening in Unit 3 will be 14, and so on. So if I want to listen to the very first listening in Unit 3, which is, it will be the audio number 12, which is actually page 34A in your book, page 34A. So I will click on that. That's the very first listening in Unit 3. And now I can listen.
1. I'm going to have to file for unemployment. 2. We're going to save money for a house.
So you can see in your books that on page 34, at the top of the page, or actually where you see the letter B, it will show the number 12 with a headphone icon. So this is the very first listening in Unit 3. So this is how you can access the listening. You can either download it or you can listen here on the website. So I just wanted to show you that so that you can now use the audio anytime you want. Okay, thank you.